Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to test out mica powders or pearl powders or metallic pigments as they are known here. Let's get started. I haven't seen a lot of mica powders in India, mostly metallic pigments. They come in semi-liquid form. So this is mica powder which comes in pure powder form and it has a little bit of shimmer to it, so the end product will be shiny like this coaster. You can use the mica powders in two different ways. So the first way is going to be by just brushing the powder inside your mold. I'm using two colors, pink and blue. Take a paintbrush and a little bit of powder and then brush it inside the mold. Another thing that I noticed was that you get mica powders that can be used to make soaps as well. I bought a few from Amazon and they did not mix well with resin at all. Please buy metallic powders that mix well with resin or else it's going to be a waste. Once you're done brushing, remove the excess powder and then fill the mold with any color of your choice. So I've taken resin mixed with opaque blue pigment and I'm just pouring it inside the mold. The second method is mixing the powders into the resin and then pouring it into the mold. So here I am taking yellow and orange mica powders, mixing it in resin separately and then pouring it into the maple leaf mold. Make sure all the powder is mixed very well with the resin or you will have powder residue in your final pour. So how much powder should you add to the resin? Start by adding little and add more only if you feel that the color is not strong enough. Time to unmold. First the fish. So as you can see, wherever you brush the powder, it has taken that color and shine. This is the one that we poured. The final product has a lot of shimmer and shine to it. I did a few more and noticed a difference in the two methods. For example, this is the maple leaf which was done by pouring, and the final look is not very smooth, whereas this in which I brush the mica powders, the final look is very smooth. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos. I will see you in the next one.